Hi, I will present you this book. It is Bashkir folk epic Ural Batyr. You know there are mountains between Europe and Asia, and I guess these mountains are named in honor of Ural Batyr. This book is written in 3 languages, Bashkir, Russian and English. It is a real epic of Bashkir nation. It was passed from mouth to mouth for many generations of Bashkir nation. And it was recorded by Muhammad Shah Burangulov in 1910, 110 years ago, as of now. The plot of epic is quite complex and based on the description of struggle of Ural Batyr for the happiness of people with the evil forces of nature embodied in the images of dragons, snakes, etc. Let me read a short passage from this epic. I set out on my way, the death invisible to slay. From the dead to raise the people, I was born as a Batyr. And now you see some pictures from this book, Ural Batyr. I recommend you read this book and subscribe to Bashkirtization channel. Good luck.